You don't ever feel like no matter how much you know, people just do not take you seriously. Or maybe when you speak, you notice that your voice trembles, your words get lost, and others interrupt or ignore you. If this sounds familiar to you, you're not alone. Confidence is just something people are born with. It's something you can develop almost instantly. Today, I'm going to reveal the fast way to sound more confident, and that every sound confident, and that every sound and that every word you say lands with authority. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what you do the next time you speak, whether it's in meeting or a call or in a state. You know what you're talking about. So stay with me, really, you got something important. Here is Kenix, stay with me, and if you came to YouTube to watching something meaningful, please subscribe our YouTube channel. The first technique to sound more confidently: understanding confidence. Confidence is more than just feeling. It's a signal that your brain sends to the person around you. When you sound confident, others trust your words, your ideas feel valuable, and your presence is commanding. The problem is many people mistake confidence for arrogance, or they think it is something the other have or done. In reality, confidence is about clarity or control and delivery. Even if you feel nervous inside, you can appear confidently and instantly by controlling your voice, posture, and pace. Your confidence became a habit when you understand the mechanical habit. The second techniques that make you confidence, or that makes you sound more confident, is the hidden problem. One of the biggest mistakes people make in think confidence came from knowing more. You can be the smartest person in the room, but if your voice wave, your sentence trail off, no one will believe you. Nervous habit, like saying like all trailing off, make you sound unsure. Even if your ideas are powerful delivery and everything, this disconnect between what you know and how you sound creates fear and frustration. People often blame themselves, thinking they are not capable or naturally confident, when the solution is simply learning how to protect authority through their voice and words. The third technique is the silence of vocal confidence. Your voice is your most powerful tool for confidence. Studies show that people perceive authority in deeper, slower, and well-modulated voice. Speaking too fast makes you seem nervous and unsure, while hesitation makes your message weaker. But here is the good ideas, or the good news. If your voice is naturally higher or soft, you can train it sound more confident by protecting control, breathing, lowering your pitch slightly, and shaking with intention. Pause. You can immediately change how others perceiving you. Your voice is not a fixed. This is flexible, and learning to use it probably is the fastest path to sounding confident. The fourth technique that makes you really get confidence your voice is breathing for power. Confidence starts with your breath. Most people hold tension in their chest or shoulder when they speak, which tension the voice and makes you speak. Learning diaphragmatic breathing. The same technique in your youth give your voice strength and calmness. Take deep, slow breaths from your chest before you speak. This sends a signal to your brain and body that you're in control. Even a single conscious breath before a sentence can calm nerves and make your voice more grounded, projecting authority without needing to change your words. Fifth technique that makes your voice confident is posture and presence. Your body is communicating as much as your voice is. Slouching, looking down, folding your arms immediately signal insecurity. On the other hand, standing tall, opening your chest, and relaxing your shoulder makes you instantly appear more confident. Small gestures like moving deliberately, fidgeting, show that you're in compound. You compose people unconsciously with these signals and indirectly affect how they respond. Posture and presence are not just outdoor looking good, they influence your vocal strings, clarity, and the impact of every word you say. The sixth habit that is help you to sound more confidently is the magic of pause. The most important part is one of the first ways to sound confident is to master the pause. Silence before, during, and after your sentence makes you sound powerful and controlled. Many people rush to fill silence with unnecessary words, which makes them appear anxious. Holding a lot of your words or ideas to resonate and give your listener time to process. Even a brief 1-second pause before answering a question can make you appear more authoritative, practical, pausing, strategical, and you will notice people before start learning and waiting for the word instead of turning them out. The problem with a word, the seventh habit that makes you sound more confident, is the problem with a word. Even when you speak clearly, your choice of words affects confidence. Otherwise, filler words are hating phrases like I think, maybe, or shut up and undermine your authority. Confident speakers eliminate uncertainty words from their sentence and speak with conviction. Thus does not mean being rude with clarity. For instance, instead of saying I think this could work, you can say this is the solution that will work. Small shift in language creates an immediate perception of competence. So try to master it. The eighth habit that makes you sound more confident is the body language element. I told you before this video and the previous time about body language. So body language is the most important part for communication because a study shows over 90% of communication is non-verbal. That means before we try to speak it, our bodies speak louder than our mouths. So your words and bodies misalign. If you say something powerful but avoid eye contact or feed, the message loses strength. Confident speaker maintains eye contact without starting gesture naturally and let their facial expression reinforce their words. Think of your bodies as a visual amplifier for your voice. Every sentence, every gesture, movement, and posture choice adds credibility when practiced together. The vocal control, body language doubles this speed are practiced as confidence. The confidence loop, confidence grow and loop. Voice affects body. The 9th technique that makes your voice confident is the confidence loop. Confidence grow and loop. Voice affects body. Body affects mind, and mind affects voice, as you know. First way to break a cycle of self-doubt is to act confident first. Even if you do not feel it, sound or speak clearly, breathe deeply and use deliberate pause. Your brain starts receiving signals that you are in control, which reduces nervousness over time. This lopes in the some people say naturally confident. They have trained their bodies and voice to support their feeling. You can do not the same conscious practice. Try to master it and you will see a huge result on your voice of when you try to speak it. And final one is speak control. If you really mastered these things, your voice became more confident. So the last one is the speak control. Talking too fast is a common sign of nervousness. Letting people speak quickly, they intentionally appear anxious or less knowledgeable. Slowing your speech even slightly, give your words weight. A sentence line with impact, and impact you give listener time to absorb the information. Provided with a pause, slowing down, increase perceiving authority immediately. Practicing reading a lot slower or train your speech can retain your natural pace and more your voice sounds set and composed. So the fastest way to sound more confident is not about feeling it, about activity. Real habit, breathe, pause, vocal control, pause, and choose and gesture from toolkit. Master even half of these techniques and you will more authoritative immediately. Combine the multiple, the effect is the key is deliver consistent action rather than waiting for neutral confident appears. So I really appreciate it to stay with me to the end, and if you are really enjoyed by the content, please subscribe our YouTube channel. This is Kenix, and which one would you do it, or which one would you prefer to do something in your life and the next? Drop it in the comments. I will read it.